Hello YouTube, my name is Jack and I am a Home Depot seeds product reviewer. Today I'm going to be reviewing a Klein Tools Electrician's pocket knife. Unit has a quite nice design. It's an aluminum frame with a stainless steel blade. You can see it's a nice hollow with the low-hanging clip there for wear jeans to work every day, and frankly, you don't even know that you're carrying it. It's got a 2 7/8 inch blade. You can pretty much open it with one hand easily. The frame locks into position. It's a pretty basic style of how you release it. It does take a little bit of effort to actually open the unit. Some special features about it: you can strip wires nice and easily. So I do have some Romex here below me, and we'll try it out. But blade is sharp for sure if you're going to be opening up boxes or whatever you're doing day to day. But when you're actually going ahead and using Romex cable or anything else, it's really makes the job nice and easy. So let's do it. It's got some 12-2 here. I'll give it a try. So all you got to really do is take this guy, kind of go around a couple times, get them to bite in nice. Holding it up is going to take a little bit, but and let's see, coming right off. So you can see, certainly a handy tool to keep on you. Was able to slice right through the shield and everything. Was able to strip off the casing on the wire. Definitely does the job. It's got a what else can I say? It's got the bearing assisted opening, so you guys saw me do that with one hand. It certainly has a really attractive appearance. You see that like almost worn look to it. But yeah, so at the end of the day, what would I say about it? I'd recommend it. I definitely would recommend it. It's my first pocket knife, so full disclosure there, but it does the job. You even got the little circular notch here, so if you want to bend your cable, a little hoop around. This notch in the back is for a lanyard carry if you prefer that, as opposed to in your pocket. But it meets expectations or exceeds, so check it out. Thanks.